Hey everyone, welcome to Future with AI. In today's video, we are building an AI powered document assistant using Streamlit, LangChain, and Olama. This tool lets you upload a PDF, analyze the content, and ask AI questions about it. We will go step by step explaining every line of code. By the end, you will be able to build your own intelligent document assistant. So like, share and subscribe for more AI projects. Let's get started. Before we jump into the code, just make sure that you have downloaded Olama in your local system. Then we are going to download DeepSeek R1 model in our local system. To download DeepSeek R1 model in our local system, just go to this website Olama DeepSeek R1. Then click on first website. Then scroll down. We are going to download DeepSeek R1 distilled Quen model that is 1.5 billion parameter. So download this model, copy this command and open command prompt. Paste this command and hit enter. It will automatically download DeepSeek R1 model in your local system. Now let's import the necessary libraries. These are the necessary libraries we have to import. Streamlit is used for web UI. Then PDFPlumberLoader extracts the text from PDF. Recursive character text splitter splits the text into chunks. InMemoryVectorStore stores document embeddings, and Olama embeddings convert text into vector embeddings. Chat prompt template defines a AI response format, and Olama uses an AI model that is DeepSeek for response. Now let's customize the Streamlit app with dark theme. Here is a CSS code for our Streamlit app. This sets a dark background with white text and neon green headings for modern look. Next, we define how the AI should answer a question. Here is our chat prompt template. This ensures AI responses are concise, fact-based, and honest if uncertain. Now we initialize the document storage and AI model. Here is a code for initializing. Here is a code for initializing our model and setting up vector store. Here is a PDF storage path. This is document store slash PDF. So let's create one folder name document store. Let's create let's create a folder named document store. Inside document store, create a PDF folder. That's it. Now, embedding model is converts text into vector using Olama embeddings. We are going to use DeepSeek R1 model for Olama embeddings also, and document vector store. Uh, we are going to use here in memory vector store as a document vector store, and LangChain model that is DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion parameter model we are going to use here. Let's add functions for handling PDF uploads. Here is a code for handling PDF uploads. This function saves the uploaded PDF to local folder. This takes input as uploaded file. Then this uploaded file is going to save in this path, and this file path will be returned by this function. Next, we extract the text from the PDF. Here is a code for extracting the text from PDF. This this reads the PDF using PDFPlumberLoader and extracts the text from uploaded PDF. Now we split the document into chunks for better AI processing. Here is a code for creating chunks. We are using recursive character text splitter for creating chunks from extracted documents. Chunk size will be our chunk size will be 1000 and chunk overlap will be 2000 characters. This will return a raw documents. Then this raw document will be indexed to our in-memory vector store using this function. This function name is index document. This makes document searchable. Now we implement AI powered question answering. First, search for relevant document chunks. For searching relevant document chunks, here is a function which uses similarity search method. This function takes a query as a input and uses similarity search method for document search. Now let's generate AI response. Here is a code for generating AI response. This function collects relevant document chunks, then formats the question using AI prompt and uses DeepSeek LLM to generate the answer. Here is a language model. We have created a response chain using conversation prompt and language model. We are using language model as DeepSeek R1 model. This is a language model. Then this response chain is invoked by using magic method invoke. Now let's create a UI component. This code sets up a catchy title, subheading, and divider line. Here is a title, here is a subheading, and this is a divider line. Now let's add a uploader. Here is a code for uploader. Users can upload PDFs for analysis using this function. Now processing the uploaded documents. For processing the uploaded documents, here is a code. When when user uploads the PDF, it saves the uploaded PDF in saved path. Then this PDF is converted into raw documents. Load PDF document extracts the text from uploaded PDF, and these extracted texts are converted into chunks. These chunks are then indexed to in-memory vector store using function index document. Now let's handle user queries. Here is a code for handling user queries. This takes user input. When user inputs when user inputs query, it will displayed on our on your UI. Then using find related document function, relevant document will be retrieved from our in-memory vector store. Then AI response will generate response using generate a answer function. This will take uh, user input user input as a, input and relevant document docs. This is relevant docs as a input. These are two inputs. These are two input arguments are taken by generate answer. Then respective answer will be generated according to our query, and it will be displayed on our UI. And that's how you build an AI-powered document assistant. Let's test this code. Before running this code, I have created one virtual environment. First of all, I will activate my virtual environment using Conda. Conda activate dprac. I have mentioned all required packages in requirement.txt file. That is Streamlit, LangChain, Core LangChain, Community, LangChain, Olama, and PDFPlumber. Let's install these requirements using command pip install -r requirements.txt. Here all requirements are installed. Now run our code using Streamlit. Okay, I am going to upload a file. This is file. I have uploaded this PDF. This PDF contains recipes. Okay, document proceeded successfully. Now we are going to ask question from our PDF. I am going to ask ingredients of spinach pasta. So what are in here we go. This app is generated answer based upon our query. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Happy coding.